Welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Today we'll be cooking from this vintage cookbook from 1986. It's called the Better Homes and Gardens On-the-Go Cookbook. Look at this family. They're having a great time eating and looking up at the camera. When your family's busy schedule starts to get the best of you, reach for your on-the-go cookbook. These recipes are so simple, and we're going to start by making this one called the pizza fish fillets. It could not be any easier. You need to start by cooking up some cheesy garlic bread and some frozen breaded fish fillets according to directions. Place a fillet on top of a piece of cheesy garlic bread. Add some pizza sauce and some mozzarella cheese. And we're just gonna cook this for about 3 minutes on a 450 degrees. Really, it can't be this easy. It sure is. Pizza fish fillet. Wow. It tastes really good, and it's simple, and I cannot believe how quick this meal was to make. Because of all that, I'm gonna give it a 7.8 out of 10. Let's let the fun continue. I'm gonna make the next one. It's a chorizo tortilla casserole. Now the description kind of says it's an on-the-go dish because you could do it in the microwave in about 10 to 15 minutes. But I'm gonna be doing it involving the oven. Let's get started. I need to cook one of those half-pound logs of chorizo and a chopped onion. I need to cut about 6 corn tortillas into strips. Let's add a can of Rotel-like tomatoes and 6 ounces of tomato juice, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of oregano, and a little bit of pepper. Let's bring that to a boil. Time to lower the heat and simmer it for 5 minutes. You could put a cover on there. I've removed it from the heat, and now I'm gonna mix in those strips of corn tortillas and add that to a prepared baking dish, 8 by 8. I'm gonna bake it covered at 350 for 25 minutes. Then I'm gonna uncover it, add some Colby Jack cheese, and cook it again for an additional 2 minutes. All right, let's give this a whirl. Chorizo tortilla casserole. It has good spice, good flavor. I'm surprised that this was so popular in the 80s. It's good, and it was easy. Not as easy as that last one, but still pretty easy. I think I'll give it a 6.8 out of 10. It's always so much fun trying out a new cookbook. I'm so glad you got to join me on this one. Chefs have to be very precise when measuring out butter. There's no margarine for error.